Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a track Miata. First, select a solid Miata chassis, focusing on models from the first or second generation for their excellent balance and aftermarket support. Before diving into performance, ensure your car's foundation is sound. We'll cover key areas like suspension, braking, and safety, emphasizing a balanced approach. Remember, a well-sorted car is often faster than one with just raw power. Let's get started on transforming your Miata into a track day hero. Next, let's talk about suspension and handling, which are crucial for track performance. Upgrading to quality adjustable coilovers allows you to dial in your ride height and damping for optimal track conditions. Don't forget to enhance your sway bars and end links. These significantly reduce body roll, keeping your Miata flatter through corners. Finally, replacing old rubber bushings with stiffer polyurethane ones will provide a much more direct and responsive feel, making your car incredibly precise on track. Now, let's discuss power and braking, essential for shaving seconds off your lap times. While Miatas aren't known for raw horsepower, adding forced induction, like a supercharger or turbocharger, can provide a substantial power increase. Equally important are your brakes. Upgrade to larger rotors and high-performance pads for reliable, fade-free stopping power lap after lap. Lastly, installing a limited slip differential will dramatically improve traction, helping you put power down more effectively when exiting corners. Finally, safety is paramount on the track, so install a robust roll bar and racing seats paired with multi-point harnesses. These are non-negotiable for protecting yourself. Don't overlook the importance of proper tire selection and a professional alignment. These ensure maximum grip and predictable handling, which are vital for confidence and speed. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your track days safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.